What's up everyone, and welcome back to another daily video. We upload at 9 a.m. every single day, so make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way you can stay up to date on our latest adventures. Today, I'm out by myself in the Tacoma doing some off-roading here, but I wanted to go out and hit the trails early. It's such a nice day outside. If you guys remember, this is where I had to pull the 4Runner out, so we were going that way. He was down all this sand here and into this little creek crossing here. Now, on camera and in person, this looks like it'd be really easy. Why am I showing you guys this 4-foot crossing? Well, I've already put this stick in the ground here, and you can see it's like 7 or 8 inches deep of sand that I can push this all the way down in there. So it's actually pretty deep, more deceiving than what it looks like just being a normal, simple crossing here. So we may come back to that, we may not, but this is a whole new area to me. So I'm gonna head down some of these trails that are in front of the truck here, and let's see what we can find. All right, coming up to obstacle 1 now. It looks like a little creek crossing here, so this should be pretty fun. So I've got the camera set up now. You guys should have some good angles here. I've been in 2-wheel drive so far, nothing crazy. I've also aired down to 18, so I'm gonna try 18 today and see how that does. Nothing to it, really. The only thing I'm concerned about is this exit point here is pretty deep on the one side. So I just gotta hug left. 4-wheel drive or 4-high would help here. As I hug far left, you guys should be able to see that ditch on the GoPro there. There we go. All right, that was easy. Well guys, after scoping out that area, it looked like it was really just a dead end going up to the back of someone's property, it looked like. So that's not gonna be a way for us to go today. That is another dead end. All right guys, so I've come across 2 creek crossings. There's one in front of me here and then one just above that mini waterfall there. I think I'm gonna try this one. It's actually pretty steep both on this side and over there. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna have the bumper clearance for that, but I'm gonna try this one first, set you guys up on the tripod. We may or may not do that one, I'm not sure yet. It's kind of a dead end once we get up there, so I'm basically just crossing this and then crossing it back. All right guys, here we go with the approach now. I mean, it's not crazy steep, but it's definitely more than the other 2 creeks that I've done before. So it looks like we're good so far. The exit here is what I'm not sure about because I can't see the bumper. So what I need to do now, I can actually get out and grab the camera and move it here. All right, so I should be good. I might have to check again since I don't have a spotter or a front camera. I'm gonna have to try to see. Let's try a different line here. Well, you guys, I might not be able to do this. Well, I got some good clearance, so I should be able to keep going. Let's go ahead and put it into 4 low now. That was just 4 high. And I can do the rear locker as well. Oh, look at that. Right up. Woo! All right. That was pretty cool, you guys. I'm starting to do a little bit more daring things, I would say. I mean, I don't think that was crazy. So I don't know if you guys will be able to tell on camera how steep this is. Hopefully you could see on the truck, but I'm gonna put you guys on the other side now. I'm gonna be inching my way down this because I don't have a spotter. So, all right, I should be good to just kind of stay right and just kind of slide my way into it. Oh shoot. Well, I'm gonna need some new skid plates. I can tell you that. It just slid right down that. All right, I bet you I just lost my bumper. That was a pretty hard hit. Let's go see the damage. Well guys, so that's my first damage off-road. Oh shoot, I lost my exhaust tip. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, that's, wow. I don't even know what to say right now. Well, I guess that's what happens when you don't have a spotter. Lost the exhaust tip, I lost part of the bumper, and there's a good dent now up underneath here. So yeah, that is not good. That is actually part of the body. But yeah, the Tacoma has experienced its first off-road damage, and hopefully it's minor. Hopefully I can easily fix all this stuff. Out of the creek now, I thought we'd just take another close-up look. I've got a pretty good mark on this side of the exhaust. You really don't see that when this tip is on, and it looks like it got smashed on the other side too and up underneath. So I may or may not put that back on. Probably a good idea to keep it off. And then here is my plasti-dipped rear corner of the bumper. It looks like it did snap right off on this plastic here. So I don't know if that's going to be able to go back on or not. And then here is the worst of the damage. I'm okay with the exhaust tip and that piece because those are easily replaceable. This is actual body work. I hope you guys can see this on the camera. This indentation right here, this is actual body work, and it kind of flares out a bit here. So that's a bummer. That's a good impression there from the rock. So I may want to go with a high clearance rear bumper and just cut that right off. It's probably the easiest fix to do. So, and I just noticed too, watching back that footage, I actually landed right on the rock rail itself there. So they are doing their job. It took off a good amount of the powder coating there, but better that than the underside of my door there. So that's just minor damage compared to what could have happened. Well, I can't say I'm too happy, you guys, but you know, you go off-road, I started pushing it a little bit more, and that's what happens. So at some point, I'll look into a new rear bumper. All right, guys, well, I think that about sums up today's adventure in the Tacoma. That is the first damage for this truck that's, I'd say, pretty major. The exhaust tip can go back on. The other piece, I can get a new one, but that body work, that's a little disappointing there. I will keep you guys updated with what I decide to go with on fixing that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I wasn't expecting to do that, but you know what? I'm out here having fun, and that's a part of it. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure you give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and stay tuned for the repairs on today's damage. I'll see you guys next video.